it's day 3 here in São Tomé, and today we're basically just gonna visit the country again because there are a lot of things to do and to see. Good morning, y'all. Today it's day 4 here in São Tomé. Yesterday I didn't film anything because we're basically staying at the hotel, eating dinner, and I'm exhausted. So yeah, but today we are going to another hotel because we are going to the south of the country because we're in the north right now and we're going to visit the south. And not sure what we are going to visit, but it's the south of the country, and yeah, that's basically it. So we're in another hotel right now, and it was an adventure to come here because the road was literally full of holes and it was like really bad. Like I was jumping in the car. I was trying to read something and I couldn't because I just kept on jumping, and it was horrible, and it was like this for like 3 hours. But yeah, right now we're at the hotel and we just ate dinner, and it was the first time we ate meat here, and I'm literally so happy because I love meat. We have been just eating fish because that's basically what they have here, because this is like an island, and what they have the most is fish, and meat is like from another country, so we couldn't find meat and I wanted meat so bad. But yeah, we're in a kind of eco hotel, so like the water is cold, but it's okay because it's really hot in here. So yeah, and that's it.